Lakewood, when hidden water leaks threaten your home, you need fast, expert action, because every drop counts. Belmar Lake Plumbing's water leak. Detection service leaps into action with lightning speed response and cutting-edge technology to safeguard your property from silent damage. Our certified technicians use acoustic listening devices, thermal imaging cameras, and pressure testing to locate leaks behind walls, under floors, and beneath your foundation without tearing up your home. From pinhole cracks and pipes to slab leaks and underground line breaks, we pinpoint the exact source with surgical precision. Don't wait for water stains, mold growth, or skyrocketing utility bills to signal disaster. Early leak detection prevents costly repairs, preserves your home's structure, and protects your family's health. We work clean, communicate clearly, and explain every finding in plain language so you understand the issue and the best solution. Imagine the relief of knowing your pipes are sound, your walls are dry, and your water bills stay under control. That's the peace of mind Belmar Lake Plumbing guarantees on every leak detection job. We follow up with targeted repairs or replacements, ensuring leaks are eliminated and never return. For Lakewood homeowners and businesses, proactive leak detection is the smart choice, preserving property value and avoiding emergencies. When you need speed, precision, and a local team you can trust, there's only one call to make. Choose Belmar Lake Plumbing's water leak detection service today and keep your home safe, dry, and worry-free.